Hey there, hustlers. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about making money online without spending a single naira. Today, I've got something special for all my fellow Nigerians. The top earning apps on the Play Store that require nitrogen monoxide investment. Yes, you heard that right, 0 naira. If you're ready to start earning using just your smartphone, then stick around. Let's dive right in. 1. Slidejoy. Kicking off our list is an app that's as simple as it gets. With Slidejoy, you get paid to unlock your phone. How cool is that? Every time you unlock your screen, you'll see ads, and you earn points, which can be converted into cash or gift cards. It's passive income without any effort. Slidejoy pays through PayPal, so you can easily withdraw to your Nigerian bank account. You won't get rich, but it's great for earning some extra cash while you go about your day. 2. Google Opinion Rewards. Next up is Google Opinion Rewards. Ever wanted to get paid for sharing your opinions? With this app, Google sends you surveys based on your interests and daily activities, and you get paid for completing them. The surveys take just a few minutes, and you can earn up to 200 per survey. Easy money for just answering simple questions, right? The money can be redeemed in Playstore credit, or, if you're creative, you can sell that credit to friends who want apps or games. It's simple. 3. Roqqu. This one is for my crypto lovers out there. Roqqu is an app that lets you earn free cryptocurrency by completing small tasks. You can also earn through their referral program by getting others to sign up using your code. The best part, Roqqu allows you to easily withdraw your crypto earnings to your Nigerian bank account. Whether you're earning in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even local tokens, it's a legit way to make some cash. 4. Premise. If you love exploring your city, Premise is the app for you. It lets you earn by taking photos of places and objects around your area, answering questions, and even completing small tasks. Payments are quick, and you can withdraw through PayPal, Bitcoin, or even bank transfer. Premise is perfect for anyone looking to make money while on the move. And guess what? It's available in many Nigerian cities. So there you have it. These are the best earning apps you can download right now from the Play Store without investing a dime. Whether it's unlocking your phone, sharing your opinions, or completing tasks, these apps let you earn money right from the comfort of your home or while you're out and about. Let me know in the comments which app you're excited to try. And don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful. If you're looking for more ways to earn online, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on my next video. Until next time, keep hustling and earning.